Could walk towards me a little bit. Okay, now turn that way. Okay, Butch. All right, now let's go walk over this way.
You want me to stick my tongue out there?
All right, so Butch, I'm gonna have you go ahead and lay down on your stomach. There, did you feel that?
I felt it pop.
Yep. Didn't take much. Lift your right leg as high as you can, right from your hip. Okay, down. Now lift your other one. Seems like you're struggling a little bit more with the left one.
Yeah.
Okay. Butch, I'm gonna use this electric impulse instrument, okay?
Okay.
Now pick up your head towards me, Butch. A little bit more. A little more. Okay, good. Down. You see how gentle I am with you, Butch?
I know. I wish she was. She's much rougher than you are. Oh, I heard that. Ah, I felt it too.
I knew that was coming. Chin up a little bit.
Oh, shoot.
Well, Butch, there's other ways to adjust the neck, but
No.
we're gonna see how you do with this
Okay.
manual adjustment.
All right.
But we can also see how you respond to that
Okay.
instrument adjustment.
Okay.
And also the headpiece here goes up and down
Okay.
with the table pieces dropping, and that's another way of doing an
Okay.
adjustment. So we'll see how you do, okay?
Okay. You're gonna make me go back to 5'6".
I gotta make you taller from both ends.
I know. I can hear everything pop.
Did you feel that move?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I can hear it.
Butch, come on up for a second. All right.
Am I straighter?
Well, not completely. It's going to take some work, but I feel
Okay.
like you're standing maybe a little bit straighter. How's it feel to you?
I feel like I'm straighter. Yeah. And the pain is not there just yet. Right now, you've cracked and popped everything I've got, so I feel comfortable standing up.
Yeah. All right. Do you have any questions,
No.
Butch?
No.
All right. Good.
Thank you.
Then I will see you on Monday, and then on Monday we'll go over recommendations.
That'll
Sound
be
good?
fine. That'll be
Wonderful.
fine. Yeah.
All right. Very good.
Take